Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3 diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 professional van 130 PS. Long MOT. Euro 6 ULEZ. Fares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 97,590. MOT, the 18th of October 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a bottom-end knock. Engine will need repairing or replacing. 100% worth getting this back on the road. Look at it. It's a beauty. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition.